Hi, and welcome to video number 7, which is Group Collaboration Tools. This section is going to help you centralize a communication system for your group. And in other words, have you ever had a group meeting and you feel like it's just disorganized? You sent so-and-so this email or this and that, they didn't get your email, and you're trying to explain to them this and that. You just feel it's just so disorganized. Well, this section should help you with that by providing you with specific tools that I have found, while very simple, can help reduce the confusion that you have when you have a meeting, when you send files, when you send them emails, and so forth. So if you can centralize the communication in terms of a meeting and getting a project done and so forth, then you're going to be able to increase your productivity for your projects and for your business in the future. The first thing I want to talk about is Huddle. This tool is amazing. You can try it for free. You can upgrade it if you'd like, but honestly, you can do a lot with the free version as well. But with Huddle.com, it enables you to keep track of your projects. You see, if you can't keep track of your projects and so forth, then you're never going to get it done and so forth. So you want to be able to keep track of projects, plus the files that everybody sends, and plus what is everybody doing in that project. Now, in terms of pricing, Huddle's not too bad. It's for annually, it's about $15 a month, and I'm going to show you, what you can do here. You can either buy the product, you can try it for free for a 14-day trial, or there's another avenue that I will show you after this. But I wanted to show you the paid version first. But Huddle, it gives you 1 gig of secure storage space per user, and it allows you to basically set up projects, as you can see here. You can create a project. I've got a bunch of projects here, and you can create new workspaces that enable the people that are working for you, so that you can see what they're doing, see their progress, see what your tasks are, if you finish your tasks, and so forth. Now, I pretty much used Huddle primarily to create projects and so forth, and see what my virtual assistants and my workers were actually doing. That's the primary reason for me to use Huddle. But if you got to think about what you're doing, if you're just doing a meeting and you're just meeting, then you can use a communications tool like Skype. But if you're working on a project, that's when you want to consider using a collaboration tool. If you don't want to pay the money, then you can always use Google Docs. Google Docs allows you to create documents, spreadsheets, drawings, and so forth, and it enables you to share that document with different people. Let me show you an example. Let's say that you want to create a new document. You can create a document, presentation, spreadsheets, and so forth. So I'm going to create a new document here, and you can create the document. But when you want to share with somebody, or create discussions and so forth, you can document, you can invite somebody first. So let's say that we will share settings. So we're going to go to share settings, and you can add people's names here. So when you add people's names here, you're basically inviting them over to your document, so they can edit the document, they can discuss the document. Click on show discussions. I can comment on this document, and then someone else could comment on the document. And I mean, as simple as it is, Google Docs pretty much is a good collaboration tool for meetings and small projects. Now, when the project gets big you need to send this person a file, and this person a file, and this person a file, that's when I recommend that you use Huddle or Basecamp or any other centralized collaboration tool. But I've been able to get by with Google Docs pretty much and not have any problems with that, and centralize my system by using Google Docs. So that's another avenue that you can use if you want to use Google Docs and you don't want to pay for Huddle.